Hi guys, my name is Tanmoy Kumar Das and welcome to my course Microsoft Ads Masterclass, All Campaign Creations and Features. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you a background about myself. I have been working on PPC for the last 13 years, guys. I have a huge passion for PPC ads. I was a Google employee, a former Google employee, where I worked on this product for a good amount of years. And now I am also teaching this product to a lot of working professionals and entrepreneurs across the organizations. Just to give you a heads up around what we are going to learn in this course is we are going to look at Microsoft Ads in depth, understanding the overview of Microsoft Ads, the account structure, ad auction, quality score, how the account structure is built out, and then we'll get into the practical implementation wherein we'll see different types of campaign builds like search, display, shopping, app campaigns as well, and the different types of ads which you can create inside this. I'll also take you through the process of how to set up conversion tracking inside Microsoft Ads as well as a practical video as well. By the end of this course, I hope you understand Microsoft Ads really well and are able to use it in your business and for your clients. Thank you so much, guys, for enrolling into this course. Have a great time learning this.